My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I'm an expert in IRS resolutions. Why is that? Well, I worked 10 years at the IRS. I've worked thousands of cases. Like I said, I was a teaching instructor. I've been in private practice for 42 years. I've been on the national news many times. If you want to learn about me, go to my website at 777irs.com. I don't make these infomercials. You're not here to hear about me. I want to give you expert advice about looking at your IRS tax resolution case from kind of 30,000 feet. That's what, in fact, what you need to do when you understand what these look like. It's easier for you to navigate these situations. So as a whole, when an agent like me gets a case, whoever goes ahead and gets a case, they want to close the case. That's all IRS wants, but they don't even care whether they get paid in full. They don't. They need to close the case. They are designed there at those jobs to close their case. It's that simple. So how do you go ahead and close a case? You get a finding. First of all, there's two questions you always ask. Are your tax returns all filed? Check number one. Number two, have you fixed the problem? Are you making estimate payments if you're self-employed, or is your withholding now adjusted? You've stopped the problem. Next is the case resolution. How do you do that? IRS wants a financial statement. If you got a 1-800 number notice in your hand, they want a 433F financial statement. If the case is in a local office, they're going to want a 433A financial statement. They're going to want that documented. Once IRS looks at the case, the agent looks at the case, they'll ask for bank statements, pay stubs, just to make sure it's correct. IRS will either put you in currently non-collectible, which means they're not going to ask for the tax, penalties, and interest run. You'll delay it or freeze it for a period of time. IRS will look at the statement and say, gee, this person's a payment agreement, or you can file for the offer and compromise to settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. But before you start running out, I want to settle, not everyone can settle. Last year, only 13,000 people in the United States settled their IRS tax debt. Why is that? Why is that? Because people don't qualify. So if you're looking for a solution to completely close your IRS case, if you're going to do it on your own, you're going to pick up the phone, take your chances with IRS. If you are lucky enough to have some money to get a representation, we do that. You look at the financial statement, you see if you can polish it or change it a little to make it look better for you. So when IRS looks at it, you get the best result. That's what you want to do. So it's your current financial statement, the 433F or the 433A, that drives the resolution of the case. Don't believe all these salesmen and as people talk to you. Everything comes down to that financial statement. I've looked at well over 10,000. Give me a call if you need me. Give me a subscription. I appreciate you.